What's happening, everybody? We have the E36 out today to give it a tune and hopefully see some raised rev limiter action. But before we get into that, we're going to get it up in the jack stands and swap out our transmission cross member, because this last drift event was actually Justin's first event, but he didn't get a lot of seat time because the stock aluminum cross member in this cracked with like, what, 5 runs in?
Yeah, about 4 or 5 runs in, the thing just...
Yeah, and you'll see that when we pull it out. But we're going to dive into this, like I said, get up in the jack stands, get that cross member fixed, tune it, and hopefully go out for some skids tonight. Justin just got our cross member out. That's crazy. There's the rest. Oh, God.
That's the bushing.
How's the bushing look? Okay still?
I mean, it's just all deformed. I mean, that's normal, like the trans being in it. And this one's pretty flat. But I mean, this one's all like concaved in. I don't know how it's gonna...
This is the result of a bunch of clutch kicks.
Yeah, literally clutch kicking everywhere.
And as you can see, we'll flip it real quick. This one is obviously gone, complete hole. But this one was about to go as well. And I can only really imagine what would have happened if both of these were just flopping around. The tranny would have been bouncing around in the tranny tunnel. It's good that we caught it before this, because it could have maybe messed up the shifter.
Yeah,
the brand new shifter.
The whole, like literally, like it was just the craziest vibration. It was binding up the shifter, and in line, like you could feel the engine move driving around. I was like, something's not right. I stopped, just pushing the clutch, gave it a rev, and you could just feel the whole thing move. Crawled on there, found out the thing was cracked.
That's crazy.
I just thought something was loose. You know what I mean? I expect to go.
That thing's grenaded.
Yeah.
It's worse than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
But this is the new unit, dude. This thing looks so much nicer.
Yeah, yeah.
It looks
steel.
so good.
That's steel. That's aluminum.
I can't imagine this giving us any problems like that. What's the brand on this though?
You know, that's a good question. I'm honestly not sure.
We'll figure it out. But we're gonna toss it in now?
Yeah. Let's do it.
It is a couple days later. That cross member that we just showed you ended up not fitting. We messed with it for quite some time, and it would just not line up. Any which way we put it, the bolt holes would not line up. But Justin picked up a new unit here. Another steel cross member. This one here is from Rally Road, and he also got some new bushings just to avoid any issues, because the ones that were in there got all concaved and weird. All reinforced, gusseted back here. We are much more confident that this one is going to line up. And Justin's just getting the car all up in the jack stands again, a little bit more level today. So we can attempt to tackle this cross member once again. So what's happening, Justin? Is this one going in?
This is how a cross member should go in. It should just fit right to it, and you should see every hole line up and everything just thread in prime. Like that other one, like you'd bolt it to the chassis and like the ears of the tranny, and when you're down here, you know what I'm talking about. It was like a 1/4 inch back, so it was basically grabbing onto the very back of the ear, and like it just wouldn't fit. Very frustrating. If we would have run that, we would have snapped the ear off the trans. Very frustrating, just did not fit. This cross member just all the way fits way better.
That's good. Less frustration is always nice.
Just looking for my last bolt. Oh no, it's in there. Okay, now we're gonna tighten it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Dude, it took 30 seconds. Nice. And there she is. We're getting ready to hopefully get this beast tuned now. Justin just fired up the old laptop, letting her warm up.
Now, the biggest difference we're going to be seeing with this tune is RPM. The RPM, we got this car, because it was an automatic, was limited to about 5.5 or so.
You want to show them what it's at right now?
Yeah.
Here, you want to hold it so you can show them?
So, it gets to about 5.5 and stops. No bueno.
And now we're going to flash that tune on and hopefully see that number be higher.
Yes, sir. All right, we're going to open our program. once we're in our program and we know we're connected with the key on, we're going to read ECU data. Once you get your random numbers, you know it's read it. Then we're going to pick our file. File is found. And now we write.
And there she goes. Oh boy.
Nice. Spanglish.
We're getting everything disconnected. We're gonna give it a rev and hope it worked.
Put this somewhere safe. Alright guys, moment of truth right here.
Oh bro, it goes so high!
Yes,
it went way fast,
pegged into the red. That's when you know.
It went way.
I give that a thumbs up. That's gonna be awesome. Are you kidding? Like, it was just so frustrating not having those RPMs at any point. Driving it, drifting it, like, you know how it is, guys.
We have to go for a ride.
What he said.
Oh my god, it went like way past the red. That was awesome. Okay, you wanna shut the hood and rip it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was awesome.
Alright guys, for whoever's interested in tuning their BMW, we went with RK Tunes. As we've shown, raise that rev limiter up, and that's really useful for what we're gonna do. Also claims that it helps the Vanos and whatnot, but overall help the performance of your naturally aspirated BMW. We're gonna give it a couple test runs.
Definitely faster, dude.
Faster, way deeper in the rev range, all around, just wakes it up.
Nice.
Nice though.
Dude.
I want to rev her out.
Really rev her out. Nice. You're shifting right at like 65. Beautiful. What's great now is when you shift, it's still in power band. Before, when you would shift, it would bog.
Yep. It stays right in that Vanos rev range.
She's a rocket ship.
Yeah, I'm happy. That tune overall just wakes it up completely. It's well worth it. I'd consider it. Should we cruise that up and down once, make sure no fuzz?
I'm sure no one will be here. Alright, take it easy. Oh, dude, that's crazy. Justin's gonna test her out here in Mexico. random, dude. It's so random. Ripping! Oh, it's Billy Gannick! Ripping, bud, ripping!
What are you guys doing?
Drifting, of course!
Yeah, I know.
Out in Mexico.
Do that shit again.
He's practicing. Yeah, the tire belts are sparking. My camera died at Mexico, so I'm a little bit bummed out because I missed that F-150 doing a nice one-tire fire. But we made it home safely in the E36, and tonight was definitely a successful day. But make sure to stay tuned. This rig and my LS Swap Volvo wagon will be going up to Lock City Drift for some end of the season activities in 11 days. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace!